You are welcome to this video, and in this video we will be looking at how to install our Facebook pixel on our website. In the last video we look at how to retarget the people that showed some level of interest in your product. The tool that help us to target those people is called Facebook pixel. This is the code that help us to track the action people take when they visit our website, or when they click on our ad, or when they like our page. It is the code, the Facebook code, that track all their action, that we can use to follow them up, that we can use to create retargeting ad. So we are going to learn how we can install that code on our website. And for you to be able to install that code on your website, you have to be the admin of your website, and you have to be logged into your admin dashboard. As you can see, this is one of my websites here, and I'm already logged in as an admin. I'm in the my WordPress dashboard. So I am going to go to my business manager account now. This is my business manager account. I am going to click on this icon. Then it will open these tools. I am going to click on event manager, and if I click on that event manager, I am going to make sure it is my business account that is selected here. It is my ad account that is selected, and not my profile. This one is my profile. I don't want this one to be selected, rather I want this one to be selected. Okay, so if that is the one that is selected, if you have never created any pixel before, you are not going to see any of these. The only one you may see is this default offline event setup for your account. So these three you are seeing here are the ones I have created before. So if you have not created anyone before, all you need to do is to click on this plus icon, that is connect data source. You click on it, and you are going to select web. Then you click get started. You are going to click on Facebook pixel. Then you click connect. You are going to give it a name. Let's say I give it a name as Michael pixel. Then I'm going to copy my home page URL and paste it there. I'll paste my home page URL here. Then once you hit continue, it means this pixel will be created. I don't want to create another pixel now, but in your case, if you hit continue, it will be created instantly. And once the pixel is created, it is going to show up in this place. It's going to show up here. So if it has shown up here, we want to look for the code. We want to look for that code so that we can install it on our website. So how do we look for the code? We select that pixel, and if we select that pixel, we make sure we are in the overview, not setting, not history, not diagnosis, but overview. Make sure you are in the overview. And if you are in the overview, you just go down a little bit, and you are going to see this add event. You click on this drop down, and you are going to see all these. So here we are going to select from a new website, and we are going to select install code. and here is our pixel. So we are going to click copy. If we click copy, that pixel is already copied to our clipboard. So let's see how the pixel look like. If I decide to paste it in notepad here, you can see how it look like. You can see the nature of the code. This is the code that we call Facebook pixel. So, and this is the code that we are going to paste in our header. We are going to paste it in our website header head tag. So I'm not going to save this one for now. So we have already copied to clipboard. Let's go to our website. Then if we are in our dashboard, we will go to appearance. Then under appearance, we see theme editor here. We'll click on theme editor and make sure it is the theme you are using that is selected here. As you can see, as I have so many themes here, I have about 4 themes here, but the one I'm using is Astra, and that is the one that is selected. And if that one is selected, the next thing you will look for is header.php. You can see theme header.php, but it depends on the name you are going to see here. Depends on the theme you are using. For my own now, you can see theme header, but the most important thing is header.php. In all theme, you must see this. So once you have seen this, you are going to select header.php, and you are going to look for the head tag, the opening and closing head tag. So let's look for them. Let's look for opening and closing head tag. Where are they? Okay, this is opening head tag here. Then let's look for the closing head tag. Okay, this is closing head tag. So this is where we are going to paste our Facebook pixel. Just before the closing head tag, you can see the position of my cursor here. We are going to paste it once, and once you paste it, you just use Ctrl V and you have pasted it, and you hit update file, and your pixel is already installed. But I'm not going to update the file now because I've already installed it on my own website, but I've shown you how you can do it exactly now. Then the next thing we'll be doing is to install our event pixel. So what is event pixel? Event pixel is the pixel that record the action people take on your website. Take for instance, people buy your product, event pixel record it. Or people that visited a specific page, it is the event pixel that record such action. Or some people click on a particular button on your website, you can retarget those people. It is event pixel that record that. Somebody may ask, then what is the work of the Facebook pixel? Facebook pixel is like the general code that record what is happening on your website, but event pixel records some specific action. So only a specific action, like somebody enter their email, somebody buy your product, or somebody add the product to cart. All those specific actions, that is what event pixel record. Okay, I hope that is gotten, and if that is gotten, let's hit continue. And if we hit continue, these are what is going to be recorded. We hit continue, and you can see prefer a manual option. Yes, we prefer a manual option. Then we are going to take note of the website, the page that people will be redirected to after they opt in their email. After they enter their email, which page are they going to be redirected to? You need to design that page. We call that page thank you page, and we'll be looking at that into detail during our funnel. We are going to be looking at that into detail during our funnel, but for now we are installing our pixel. So we are going to go to our thank you page. So where is our thank you page? Assuming this is our thank you page, this is the thank you page we want to use, then let's open it so that we can get the URL. Okay, so this is the URL of our thank you page. Then we'll copy the URL and we are going to click open event setup tool, and we are going to paste it here. And if we paste it here, we'll click open event setup tool. Okay, this is the one I've installed before, so I'm going to delete this one for now. Let's do something afresh. So with this tool now, this tool that I just opened, it can help us to do so many things. We can track new button. Assuming we have a button here, if anybody click on that button, we can retarget that person. You can see how specific event pixel can be, or we can just retarget anybody that visited this particular page. In that case, we are going to be tracking a URL. We are going to be tracking a URL. So for the purpose of this, we only track URL, and this is the URL we want to track. So if anybody opt in his email, he will be redirected to this page in our funnel structure. And once he's redirected to this page, Facebook is going to record it in our ad manager that we have a lead. This is what helps Facebook to count the number of leads that we have. Anybody that visited this page becomes our lead. That is how we count the number of leads that we have. So, and we are going to select the type of event that we are going to select lead here. And here is asking us to select value. We are not going to select any value here. It is when it's a purchase that you can select value, but because it is event, it is a lead, we don't need to select any value for that. The reason we need to select value for in the case of purchase is so that you will be able to calculate whether you are running at a loss. Facebook will help you to calculate whether you are having a return in your advertisement, you are having profit from your advertisement. Facebook will help you to calculate that. That is the importance of adding value. But because we are only tracking lead, we don't need to add value here. So we click confirm, and once you click on confirm, you see this notification which confirms that our event is set up correctly. Then we are going to click on finish setup. Back first. Okay, track URL. We select lead. Okay, maybe it's because I've done it before. Okay, we are going to select track URL, then let's select lead and we hit confirm. Okay, we are good to go. Okay, that means our event is successfully installed. We finish setup. Okay, let's ignore this. So we are done with our lead event, so we can close this now. Let's close this, and we are done with all the setup. Okay, thank you for watching this video. In the next video we will look at how to create your audience. You have to create your audience before you start running ad, so that you don't waste the money, because you need to do all this. You need to set up all this so that as you start running ad and people are taking action, you start capturing people that are interested in your product right from the beginning of your ad. This will help you to maximize your profit and maximize your ad. It will help you not to waste money. All right, that is the end of this video, and see you in the next video. Bye.